Introduction. Christian is the main character of the story, The Pilgrim's Progress, written by John Bunyan. This young man is searching for a way to heaven. This journey of a soul is presented as a physical journey from his native city of destruction to the celestial city under which the heaven is meant. Images and names of the cities have an implicit meaning which can be easily understood. The story contains a description of a young pilgrim's search of a better life which was experienced by the author of this story. The 4 years following his marriage were the period of the intense spiritual struggles. As you can see, the whole pilgrimage of Christian, whose name is also allegorical, was drawn from the author's life. The idea that being excessively concerned about vain activities will lead to a life of destruction is introduced in the story. A journey to heaven. The story starts with a speech of a man who tells the readers about the world and his dream where, man clothed with rags standing in a certain place. From the very beginning of the story the readers can see the position of the main character who claims that all men are sinful, and the rags mean sins. Then he tells about himself that he is undone by reason of a burden that lieth hard upon me. The burden of sin is said to be the hardest burden on the earth, and Christian starts for a journey to get rid of this burden and enter the celestial city. Different obstacles appear on his way, but he overcomes them, a bog despond, with the help of a man named Evangelist who showed him the way. Christian did not have to lose his faith in order to overcome all the obstacles. Life of destruction. The only reason why Christian was walking to the celestial city was that he came to know from his dream that his native city of destruction will be burnt with fire from heaven. He wanted to escape such fate by going to the celestial city. He did not want to bear a life of vain activities which could lead to destruction. Christian is an image of all people who want to live a good life and to go to the celestial city after all. To live in vain was an ordinary activity of the inhabitants of the city of destruction. Christian was the one who opened his heart to God's revelation. He used an opportunity to change his life. His family did not support his idea, though his wife and children followed him to the celestial city and overcame all obstacles. Conclusion. Vain activities can lead to a life of destruction as well as the life in destruction, or in the city of destruction as it was with Christian, can be changed into the life in heaven. The main character of the story is composed out of the most general and universally recognized traits belonging to the experience of a child of God. He experiences doubt and loss of faith, though he finds strength in him to fight against the obstacles on his way to heaven. Destruction of a city is introduced as destruction of a soul. In this respect Christian tries to find salvation and decide what to do. Everything you need for studies, essay samples, writing tools, and tips, you can find at studycorgi.com.